Okay, we're sealing up the bed before we go pick up the camper. All these bed panels come off and they're just clips. So I'll probably take a razor blade into this clip and then just put a dab of silicone where each clip is before I put it back in. The aluminum tape was like, I don't know, 15 bucks off Amazon. But this will help a lot with the dust and water intrusion. There's another little gap here. There's some holes also under this. I think they're up here. That are for draining. That one right there. So we'll just dab silicone up there. I think also what I'm gonna do, well, first I'm gonna try to fill this gap. Because if you see down there, it'll kick up the dust. But I think I'm gonna try to also put a seal here to keep this window clean. Otherwise it'll kick up dust and such there. There also is here. And other obvious places that if you just look under the bed. But yeah, if you just buy this aluminum tape, use a dab of silicone, seal these, seal that. Should be more prep than most people. I haven't seen a lot of folks really sealing it up and then having to take the camper off and actually seal the bed properly. Also, of course, gonna install a tailgate seal here and here. Bed stiffeners on, ready for the weight. And yeah, truck's coming together. They're Deaver Stage 2s, 6112s with the resis ready to go for the weight of the camper. Hopefully should squat the back a little bit.